Yellow root called turmeric is one of the most used ingredients in the Indian culture, and has also been used as a beauty product by Indians for centuries. It's become a very popular ingredient in skin care due to its antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Here are some of turmeric uses and benefits for your skin. 1. It heals wounds and burns. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent, so it's highly recommended to treat burns. In addition, its anti-inflammatory properties are great at healing burns and scars. In order to accelerate the healing process, mix half a tablespoon of turmeric with a little coconut oil and apply the paste to the wound 2 to 3 times a day in order to prevent infections. 2. It slows the aging process. Since it's rich in antioxidants, turmeric protects your skin from free radical damage. In other words, this root is able to prevent the appearance of dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles. In order to benefit from these properties, you need to take turmeric supplements. 3. It cures acne. Turmeric is one of the best natural alternatives to fight acne since it's a powerful bactericide, capable of eliminating the bacteria that causes acne. In addition, turmeric can help regulate your skin's oiliness, another factor that influences acne. A great acne treatment calls for turmeric and honey in equal parts, and you're supposed to apply the mixture to the affected area. Always apply it at night and leave it on until the next day. Repeat this procedure 3 times a week. 4. It controls your skin's oiliness. Does your skin always look shiny or greasy? This excess oil causes discomfort and looks bad, leading to the appearance of blackheads and pimples because your pores get clogged up. Turmeric can help with that. A study performed in 2013 found that turmeric extract is great at controlling your skin's sebum secretion. Do the following: mix 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder and a teaspoon of yogurt and lemon juice. Mix the ingredients until they form a paste and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Repeat this procedure 2 times a week. 5. It restores your skin's brightness. In addition to all of these benefits, turmeric can also lighten blemishes on your skin, helping you to look young and healthy. It also improves skin tone, bringing your natural luster back. Make a paste by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of milk. Apply this mixture to your face and let it sit for 30 minutes. Wash your face after the time is up. Remember that turmeric stains very easily, so you need to be careful while preparing these recipes. If you happen to notice a spot of turmeric on your skin, don't worry, it'll fade in a few days. Remember to test the recipes to see if you have any allergies before using them. Apply a little of the recipe on your skin and wait a few minutes to see if any irritation occurs. Also check the description below to find more tips and remedies. Please give a like for this video and subscribe for a channel for more tips and product reviews.